Welcome. If you want to adjust control center shortcuts in your iPad Air first generation, and first you have to open the settings. Next you have to go for the control center, and as you can see, when you are here we can customize controls by tapping on this arrow, and when you open the control center you can find that we have only 4 shortcuts here, but we can add more. So we can for example add QR code, magnifier, home, hearing, or for example text size. Take a look right now. When you open this control center again, we got here more shortcuts. For example, we can alter the timer. So as you can see, that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.